Hello everyone. In this video we will see about vocational guidance. What is meant by vocational guidance? Vocational guidance is the guidance given to an individual by an expert person regarding the right choice of and right placement in some useful vocation in life. Means vocational guidance is given to the individual for selecting right placement or right vocation or occupation in life. We will see about various definitions of vocational guidance. Definition given by National Vocational Guidance Association, USA. According to it, vocational guidance is a process of assisting the individual to choose an occupation, prepare for it, enter upon, and progress in it. It is concerned primarily with helping individuals make decisions and choices involved in planning a future and building a career. According to this definition, we can say that vocational guidance is a process not only to select right occupation or right vocation, but it is assistance given to an individual to select proper or correct occupation and to prepare for it also. Preparation for the correct occupation is also included in the vocational guidance. Then enter upon how to enter in that particular vocation. For that guidance, that is also included in vocational guidance, and progress in it. After entering in that vocation or occupation, how to progress in that guidance is also called vocational guidance. It is concerned primarily with helping individuals make decisions and choices involved in planning a future and building a career. For planning the future and building the career and to progress in it or to make development in the selected vocation, that also concerned in the vocational guidance. Then definition by General Conference of International Labour Organization. According to it, vocational guidance is an assistance given to an individual in solving problems related to occupational choice and progress with due regard for the individual's characteristics. As we have seen in the previous definition also, it is related with the selection of correct occupation and to make progress in that. Here one more point is added, that is it should be according to the individual's characteristics. While giving vocational guidance, individual's characteristics also should be keep in mind while assisting him for selection of the right occupation and to progress in it. Then definition given by Mr. Super. According to him, vocational guidance is the process of helping a person to develop and accept an integrated and adequate picture of himself and of his role in the world of work, to test this concept against reality and convert it into a reality with satisfaction to himself and benefit to society. What is vocational guidance according to Mr. Super? Is giving guidance or helping the person or an individual to know himself from in and out. When the person or individual will know himself properly, then only he will be able to take or select proper vocation. Then to make him aware about his role in the workplace. What is his role? Whether he is able to do that work properly or not. To know all this, vocational guidance is required. To test this concept against reality means to know about himself and to use all his potentials for the satisfaction of himself and to the society as well. What is the need for vocational guidance? Is there any need for vocational guidance? Yes. There are individual differences. Every individual is different. So according to their potentialities, their skills, their available resources, the vocation their selection of the vocation will change. That's why there is a need of vocational guidance. There is a need of vocational guidance for the financial gain for individual, for employer, and for the society as well. If a person is in proper vocation or correct vocation, then and then only there will be financial gain for all these individual, employer, as well as society. Otherwise, there will be a loss for all these three. Vocational guidance from health point of view. If it is not according to the potentialities of the individual, then there can be health issues. So, keeping health of an individual in mind, vocational guidance will be provided to the person to select proper or correct vocation or occupation. From the point of view of personal and social values, it will again depend on the personal and social values as well. Discovering and utilizing human potentialities. As I said earlier also, by keeping in mind the potentialities of an individual, there will be vocational guidance will be given to select the proper or correct vocation. Complex nature of society. The nature of society is very complex. To know all these and to keep all these in mind, and keeping all these things in mind while selecting the vocational guidance is very important, very essential. If proper guidance is not available for the individual, there can be a loss of individual as well as employer as well as society. There are various methods of imparting vocational information. How we can impart vocational information in the individuals? By organizing career conferences. Career conferences can be organized in the colleges, at various places. So it will help to the individuals to select right vocation. Talks by visitors. We can organize guest lectures or talks of experts in those particular vocations. That will also help to the students or to the individuals for selecting appropriate vocation. Audio visual aids. We can make maximum use of audio visual aids. There are various magazines, there are various videos, clips, lectures available in audio visual forms. All these can make available to the students, which will help them to select proper vocation. We can organize group visits also to various workplaces, so they can get first-hand experience and get information about that particular vocation, and it will help them for selection of the vocation. Vocational and recreational group activities also can be organized at college level, so it will help them in the development or in the selection of the vocation. Now, we will see about the functions of vocational guidance at various stages. It is not only that we can give vocational guidance at the college level only. It will start from the elementary stage. So, what we can do for vocational guidance at elementary stage? We can create love and respect as well as positive attitude for normal work. If at the earlier age, if we will be successful to create love and respect for all the work or all the occupations, or all kind of work, then it will help them at the time of selecting vocation when they are young. Create coordination between hand and eye. Coordination between hand and eye is very important in maximum vocations. So this we can develop at early stage, at elementary stage itself. Maximize use of hands in work. So use of hands, we can develop their motor skills at this stage. Encourage neatness in work. Train children in systematic work. This neatness and systematic work is required in every vocation. So these habits or these skills will be developed at from the elementary stage itself. What are the functions of vocational guidance at secondary school stage? At secondary level, we can make them familiar, the individual, with world of work. We can tell them about the work culture at various places, and the we can say that we can make them familiar with the work culture at various places to enable the individual to know himself. If individual can know himself, if he will be able to know himself from in and out, if he knows his potentialities, his strengths, his weaknesses, his opportunities, then only he will be able to select correct vocation. The child can be placed during high school in a job. In our country, this is not the trend, but in foreign countries, uh, students or children at high school level only placed in a job, and they get experience from that which will help them for lifetime. The child should be helped to make right choice of subjects to enable him enter the vocation of his choice. So at the secondary stage itself, secondary school level itself, students have to select or make right choice of subjects. So according to their interest, according to their abilities, they can select the subjects which will help them in the future while selecting the vocation. Now vocational guidance at senior secondary stage is like junior college or college level. Individuals should be given occupational information. They should individuals should be make aware about various occupations. The individual should be helped to select hobbies which can help in earning in future. There are various hobbies which can help to earn in the future. So we can make them ready or make them able to select such hobbies which will help them in the future to earn something. Vocational guidance can help the individuals by organizing various programs like career conference, orientation task, etc. So various lectures, conferences, guest lectures, expert talks can be organized at the college level which will help them. Opportunities should be provided to contact the various officers, owners of industrial units, factories, etc. So we can organize visits, we can organize, we can provide them opportunities to talk with the officers, to talk with the owners of the industries, factories. So this information will help them to know themselves and to know them whether they will be able to join this and they will be successful in this particular vocation. So all this information will be help them to select appropriate vocation which will be suitable for their potentialities, their abilities, their skills and their interest as well. So this is all about vocational guidance. What vocational guidance does? Vocational guidance assists students to acquire knowledge, attitudes, strategies and skills, helps one to develop life and career plans. So this is all about vocational guidance. Thank you for your patient listening.